Vegan permaculture is bringing together the ethics of veganism with the insight and design processes of permaculture. What it kind of represents is a whole paradigm shift in the way we think about how we interact with the planet, with each other, and how we distribute resources. So what permaculture does is look at how things would work in nature. And for example, instead of having monocrops, you could have a forest where there's a variety of different plants all growing in a way that's symbiotic and harmonious, and they're still providing an abundance of food for people. But taking that holistic design approach, permaculture looks at all aspects of life. How do groups of people interact and work best together? How can we build sustainable homes? How can we ensure that we're not wasting our resources by having throwaway plastic and a throwaway culture? The mainstream model of permaculture still views animals as a resource that can be used for human benefit. That might involve the slaughtering of animals for meat or the use of animals for fertilizers. A vegan permaculture system isn't saying that animals shouldn't be part of that system, but what it's saying is that they shouldn't be exploited or used for human benefit. They can be part of an ecosystem that is taken care of, but as soon as they start to be treated as property that can be exploited, that's where vegan permaculture takes a slightly different path to mainstream permaculture. The issue that permaculture identifies is that agriculture is actually fundamentally unsustainable, because what we're doing is we are depleting the resources from the soil by using monocrops and spraying pesticides and fertilizers, and we're destroying habitats, because for agriculture to work, we have to clear forests, we have to plant things in a way where there's no real room for other species. So it's really a whole paradigm shift from the current way in which we're doing things. And combining veganism with that brings in this whole new element where we're actually thinking about how can we take care of animals and really aspire to have a fair and kind future for all living beings. Veganpermaculture.org is a collaborative place where people can learn more about vegan permaculture. They can get involved in developing the community, supporting projects, finding out about events, and really just helping to grow vegan permaculture as a movement.